Assalamu alaikum. Hope you're all doing well, dear viewers. Today, we're making a comforting restaurant-style chicken corn soup. Perfect for winter nights. Let's start the recipe. 4 tablespoons of oil. 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Sauté for a minute. Now add 200 grams of chicken cut into cubes. Cook until chicken changes its color. Add salt to taste. Next, take the boiled corn kernels from the cob and mix them into the chicken. Now, chop the leftover corn cob into 3 pieces and mix them into the soup. Next, crumble to chicken cubes with your hands and mix them into the soup. Add 2 green chilies. Add a 1/2-inch piece of ginger. Add 3 tablespoons of water. Once it comes to a boil, add 1/2 cup of grated carrots. Add 1/2 cup of chopped cabbage. Mix them and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the corn cobs. Then add to beaten eggs. After adding the eggs, let them cook for 5 seconds, then stir gently to create restaurant-style egg ribbons. Now, mix 5 tablespoons of corn flour with 1/2 cup of water to make a slurry. Slowly add it to the soup, stirring constantly to thicken. Alhamdulillah. Our restaurant-style chicken corn soup is ready to serve. Enjoy the comforting, silky goodness of this chicken corn soup. Perfect for winter nights. Try this at home and don't forget to subscribe to Cooking in a Budget for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz, and stay tuned for more budget-friendly delicious recipes. Subscribe to Cooking in a Budget and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes.